Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create glowing jeans hacks and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined dress to impress and I'm going to go to the jeans area right here. And then I'm going to wear this jeans. I'm going to click on this jeans and wait, let me change the toggle. I'm not going to use the flower. Okay, and then I'm going to change the ribs. I'm going to choose star. Okay, and we're going to go to the stocking area. Okay, just follow where I go. I want to go to the stocking area right here and grab this stocking. All right, and then you're going to color it bright. For example, I'm going to choose this color, this orange color, and then I'm going to change the material to neon. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay, that's so cool, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this glowing jeans hacks and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!